The All India Global Jigyasa Online Inter-School Quiz Contest is the first and biggest online inter-school Zoom quiz that is ever being organized. There are 3 sets of rounds that are leading to the grand finale. We are in the pre-quarterfinals round. After this, we'll have the quarters, semis, and then we'll have the finals to end it. Okay. It is for students of grade 6 to 8. We have 35 participating schools from 15 different cities, 105 participating students in all. My name, yours truly, I am Anansh Prasad, the founder and managing director of SkillSphere Education. And this quiz is conducted by my company, SkillSphere Education, the pan-India skill set development organization that focuses on the development of soft skills like public speaking, communication skills, general awareness, design thinking, and a plethora of others for students in schools and colleges all across the country. We are associated with over 180 schools and 60,000 students pan India. And we are very happy to come up with this kind of an initiative that has allowed us to ensure that so many schools across the country are participating together. Just to give you a little bit of an idea, all of the people who are viewing, the students already know about these rules. Very quickly, just so that all the others who are viewing it also know about these rules. These quizzes are conducted via Zoom and follow the essential Ministry of Home Affairs security guidelines. They are streamed live via Facebook and YouTube. Students have been isolated at the venue they are participating from. Students can neither mute nor switch off their video during the quiz. This is to make sure, and they are isolated as well, to make sure that there is absolutely no kind of cheating taking place. In case they disconnect or have connectivity issues, we'll try and cooperate and help them out. For example, a couple of kids, like even Keshav from Lotus Valley International School, Gurgaon, we have adjusted for him. I believe he was in pre-quarter final 7 due to internet connectivity issues. We have shifted him to pre-quarter final number 8. So we'll try and adjust, but if it leads to a competitive disadvantage for the others, we will not be able to help. Okay. For example, in the middle of your question, if you disconnect, that question stands forfeited. Okay. Any form of cheating or prompting will result in automatic disqualification. However, you all come from some of the best schools in India, so I doubt anything of that sort will take place. The quiz master's decision, I am the quiz master, it will always be final. You all have been allowed to keep cell phones next to you, simply because if there's a disconnection, Fursan sir can help you with it. That's the only reason. All right. So that's about it. Very quickly, let's move on to the pre-quarterfinals. As you know, there are 16 pre-quarterfinal quizzes. Today is the 8th and final quiz for today. There are 8 more pre-quarterfinal quizzes tomorrow, out of which we will choose 2 people. Today also, out of you 7, we'll have 2 students qualifying for the quarterfinals. We have 32 students in the quarterfinals participating in 8 quizzes in all. And the different pre-quarterfinal quizzes have been based on different sporting themes. They are either cricket, soccer, basketball, or kabaddi. They are either cricket, soccer, basketball, or kabaddi. This quiz number 8 is based on kabaddi. So all the best to all of you participating students.
Thank you.
Okay. Any questions before we start?
So,
yes, Garika.
Is there any negative marking?
Okay, it depends on the rounds. I will explain the rules for each round when we get to it. Okay, there are some rounds with negative marking. Most rounds do not have negative marking. Okay, very quickly, let's move on to round 1, which is called Lona. Okay. In the game of kabaddi, if you get all members of the other team out, you get 2 extra points. It's called an all out. For an all out, you get 2 extra points, or it's also called a lona. Okay. In round 1, you not only have the ability to get points, but double them too in a similar manner. Okay. So similarly, in this also, you can double your points. So in this round, every one of you will be asked a direct question. This will not be carried forward even if you answer it incorrectly. It's plus 10 for a correct answer. There are no negative points if you just answer it for 10 points. But in case you answer this question correctly, you will be asked a follow-up question. That follow-up question is also worth 10 points. Okay. Minus 5 points for answering this question incorrectly. No carry forward for this follow-up question either. Okay. So no carry forward for this follow-up question either. Okay. So basically 10 points for the direct question that you're asked. If you answer it correctly, then I will ask another question. But if you answer that other question incorrectly, you will get minus 5. However, if you answer it correctly, you'll get 10 points. Are you following me?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Any doubts?
No, sir.
No, sir. No, sir.
10 seconds for answering a question. All the best, guys. You all also wish me all the best.
All the best.
All the best, sir.
All the best, sir.
Thank you, Shrestha, Yog, Gorika, Keshav, Rashi, Divya, Rustogi, and Shreyas. Let's move on. Question 1, we start off with Shreyas from NHPS Bangalore. Shreyas, in which country did these Olympic Games take place? See the photo, the name of a city is mentioned. In which country did these Olympic Games take place?
Sir, it's Greece.
Is the correct answer. Very, very well done. So Shreyas, you get 10 points. Now the follow-up question. The answer is Greece. Follow-up question. Name this monument, which is an ancient temple located in Athens, Greece. 5, you can pass, otherwise it's -5. 5,
Sir,
4, it's anybody wants to answer it? Not for any points, just randomly. Anyone? Yes, Gorika?
Sir, Machu Picchu.
No, Shrestha?
Maybe temples of Athena. I'm not sure.
It's the Parthenon. Okay, the Parthenon. Okay. Anywho, let's move on. Let's move on to Rashi. Rashi, all ready from SMIS Jamnagar. We have Rashi. All the best, Rashi. Rashi, your question is: Port Blair is the capital of which union territory of India? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rashi, I need an answer.
Sir, Andaman Nicobar.
Can you say that again for me?
Andaman and Nicobar.
Andaman and Nicobar Islands. I will give that to you. 10 points to you, Rashi. Kind of just answer in time. Okay. Rashi, Andaman and Nicobar Islands is the correct answer. A prison called Cellular Jail. This is your follow-up question. Plus 10 or -5. A prison called Cellular Jail is located in the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. It was used by the British to exile political prisoners from India during the British rule. Do you know what it was or is popularly called or referred to as in Hindi, this Cellular Jail? What is it called?
It is called as Kalapani.
Kala Pani is the correct answer. Well done. Well done, Rashi. Just in time answer. 20 points to you, Rashi. Well done. All right, super. Let's go on to Gorika. Gorika, your question is from VPMS Pune. What is the capital or city of Japan?
Sir, Tokyo.
Is the correct answer. Well done. Follow-up question plus 10 or -5. Do you know the names of the cities in Japan that were attacked by the USA during World War II using atom bombs? Any one of the two cities is fine.
Sir, Hiroshima and Nagasaki.
20 points to Gorika. Well done. 20 points to Gorika. Superbly done. Superb. Lot of confidence. Let's move on to the next question. That is for Yug from St. Paul's. Yug, your question is: Green Eggs and Ham, The Cat in the Hat, and Hop on Pop are all books written by which famous author? Initially, he was rejected by 27 publishers. Yug. 5,
So
4, 3, 2, 1. I need an answer, Yug. I need an answer. I'm not getting an answer. Sorry, Yug. My apologies. Anybody with Shrestha put a hand up first? It's not for marks. Tell me.
Dr. Seuss.
Dr. Seuss, absolutely. Dr. Seuss, his real name was in fact Ted Giesel. And one question that I'd like to ask you all, the follow-up, this is just for fun. One of his most famous books was also adapted into a movie in the year 2000. Can you name it? This is a picture from the book. Anyone? You must have read this book if you all are readers, voracious readers. The answer is The Grinch, How the Grinch Stole Christmas.
Yeah.
How the Grinch Stole Christmas. It's a good movie, you can watch it. Okay, the Grinchmas edition, you can watch it. Very interesting. Okay, let's move on. Next question is question number 5. This question is for Shrestha. Shrestha, all the best. This is your question. In which state is this monument located, Shrestha?
Uttar Pradesh.
Is the incorrect answer. It is not Uttar Pradesh. Would anybody else like to answer this question for us?
Sir,
Andhra Pradesh is the incorrect answer.
Sir, Madhya Pradesh.
Maharashtra, it's in Aurangabad, Bibi ka Maqbara.
Absolutely, it's the Bibi Ka Maqbara located in Maharashtra. Looks like the Taj Mahal. It is not the Taj Mahal. Okay, it's fine, happens. It was built by Aurangzeb's son for Aurangzeb's wife. What is the name of this animal, which is the state animal of Maharashtra? Anyone? This is not for any points. It's the giant red squirrel. It's the Indian giant squirrel. Okay, very beautiful squirrel. That's the state animal of Maharashtra, in fact. Okay. Okay. So let's move on very to question number 6. Devya from DPS Gurgaon. This is your direct question. Devya from DPS Gurgaon. This is a picture from the world's largest desert. Can you name it, Devya?
Sahara Desert.
Sahara Desert is the correct answer. 10 points to Devya. Devya, this is the flag of a country in which a part of the Sahara Desert is located. Can you name it? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I need an answer. It's plus 10 minus 5. Devya, do you pass? Okay. Anybody wants to answer this for us?
Sir, Libya.
Sir,
No.
UAE.
No.
Iraq.
Sudan.
No. It's
Sudan.
Egypt.
Oh,
Egypt.
would have been obvious.
Okay. No worries. Let's move on to Keshav from Lotus Valley International School, Gurgaon, one of our most excited candidates. Name this politician.
Amit Shah.
Is the correct answer. 10 points to Keshav. Keshav? Amit Shah is the answer. Your follow-up question. Can you name the chief minister? 1 second. Can you name the chief minister of the state from which Mr. Amit Shah is a member of parliament?
Sir, Arvind Kejriwal.
Is unfortunately the incorrect answer. Minus 5. Amit Shah is actually a member of parliament. He's been elected from Vadodara. Who's the chief minister?
Oh, is it Gujarat?
Yes.
The
Who's the
Gujarat
chief
one.
minister of Gujarat? Anyone? Rashi, who's
Sir,
the chief?
Sachin Pilot.
Vijay Rupani.
Vijay Rupani. Rashi said it correctly. She's from Gujarat. No points for that, of course. But Vijay Rupani is the correct answer. Okay. So unfortunately, I'm sorry, you get minus 5 for that, Keshav, but you still end on positive points at the end of this entire round. Let me quickly see what the scores are at the end of this round. Give us a moment. Aman sir, have you updated all the scores?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very quickly, let's see what the scores are. At the end of round number 1, we have Shreyas Pai from NHPS Bangalore on 10 points. Rashi from Sarojben Memorial International School, Jamnagar on 20 points. Gorika Arora from VPMS Loegaon, Pune on 20 points. Yuk from St. Paul's School, Rajkot is on 0. Shrestha Sharma from Sri Satya Sai Vidya Vihar, Indore is also on 0. Devya Rastogi from Delhi Public School, Gurgaon Sector 45 on 10. And Keshav Piyush Prasad from Lotus Valley International School, Gurgaon on 5. But there's a lot of time to catch up, guys. It's just the first round. So don't worry, okay? Keep it cool and anybody can catch up. So I'm not even going to say who's first and second because right now it's quite insignificant, okay? Let's move on to round number 2. It's called the do or die raid. I love the do or die raids in Kabaddi. So what happens is if they have 2 empty raids where a raider is not able to score a point, the third raid is called the do or die raid. In the do or die raid, the raider has to score a point. If the raider does not score a point, he or she is out. Similarly, you are now in a do or die situation here. You will be asked a question. You get plus 15 points for answering it correctly and minus 5 points for answering it incorrectly. Okay. Questions get carried forward. Plus 10 points for answering a carry forward question correctly. No negative marks for answering a carry forward question incorrectly though. Okay. If you pass your direct question, you get no negative marks. Is it clear to all of you? All of my wonderful participants?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Shrestha, tell me.
On
No, I can
what
ask
way
the
the questions will be passed, like order wise, or somebody who knows the answer can raise their hand.
No, it's perfectly order wise. So the order, in general, I'll tell you the order of the quiz. And then it keeps changing depending on whoever is asked, the person after the person. So the order is Keshav, Rashi, Gorika, Yug, Shrestha, Devya, and Keshav. That's the order in which questions move. Okay. So this time we'll actually start backwards. So we'll start off with Keshav. Okay, Keshav from Lotus Valley International School, Gurgaon. Keshav, this is
Yes, sir.
your direct question. Keshav, your direct question is, who is the Secretary General of the United Nations, Keshav?
Antonio Guterres.
Antonio Gutierrez is the correct answer. Plus 15 points to Keshav, please. Well done, Keshav. Plus 15 points to Antonio Gutierrez. Or rather to Keshav. For Antonio Gutierrez as a question answer. All right, let's move on very quickly to Devya. Devya, your direct question, Devya Rastogi from DPS Gurgaon. Rand is the currency of this African nation. Rand is the currency of this African nation. Devya, can you answer this question?
Mali.
Is the incorrect answer. I am so sorry. It's not Mali. Right? Very quickly. we will go on to the next person. Firstly, -5 to Devya, by the way. Keshav
Oh, South Africa.
is the correct answer. 10 points to Keshav, please. 10 points to Keshav. Correct answer is South Africa. No worries, Devya. Happens at times. Let's very quickly move on to the next person. That's Shrestha. Shrestha, your direct question is, Lala Lajpat Rai and Bipin Chandrapal were two members of the famous triumvirate or three people of freedom fighters called Lal Bal Pal. Lal was Lala Lajpat Rai. Pal was Bipin Chandrapal. Do you know who the Bal in these three was? He was responsible for reviving the festival of Ganesh Chaturthi, especially in Maharashtra.
Okay, sir, just
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I want an answer. No.
maybe it was Bal Gangadhar Tilak.
Wow, that is so interesting. Was that a guess, Shrestha?
Yes, it was a guess.
That was a correct guess. The answer is Bal Gangadhar Tilak. 15 you, Shrestha. Well done. Happens. Good guess. Positive guess. Let's move on to Yug. Okay. Yug from St. Paul's School, Rajkot. Yug, your question is, name this Indian film director who has made films like Swadesh and Jodha Akbar. Name this Indian film director who has made films like Swadesh and Jodha Akbar. Yug. Sorry, you need to answer, Yug.
No idea, sir.
No idea. Moves on to Shrestha.
Ashutosh Gowarikar.
Is the correct answer. Well done, Ashutosh Gowarikar. Shrestha, 10 points. I'm so happy to see the kind of excitement Shrestha has every time she answers a correct answer. 25, I'm sorry, that's 10 points to Shrestha. So well done. Let's move on. The next question is for Gorika. Gorika from VPMS. Gorika, your direct question is, what is the name of the closest star to the Earth?
Sir, is it called Dhruv?
Dhruv. I'm sorry, I cannot give you that.
Sir,
Minus,
Polestar. Polestar.
no, that is not the correct answer. My apologies. -5 to Gorika. Moves on to Yug.
Sun.
Is the correct answer. The sun is the closest star to the Earth. All the other stars, the Proxima Centauri, Alpha Centauri, Alpha Centauri, we are the closest star systems to the sun. The closest star to the Earth is the sun. Okay. The sun is the correct answer. Well done, Yug. 10 points to you, Yug. Let's move on. Let's move on to Rashi. Rashi, question number 6 is for you, Rashi. All the best. In which state is this town located? Okay, these are actually images from this town. Can you tell me which state is this town located?
Sir, is it Uttar Pradesh?
And what is the name of this town, Rashi?
Agra?
It's actually Fatehpur Sikri. Okay, but it is located in Uttar Pradesh. Well done, Rashi. Well done. So you get your 15 points. Shreyas?
Yes, sir.
Direct question from NHPS. Your direct question is, this is the part of the logo of which famous Indian company?
Asian Paints.
Is the correct answer. Well done. 15 points to Shreyas Pai from NHPS. I'm going to stop recording for a minute. We are done with round 2. Very quickly, let's check what the scores are at the end of round 2. Aman, are you done? Aman?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Let's quickly check what the update of all the scores are. At the end of round number 2, we have Rashi Shailesh Patel from Sarojben Memorial International School, Jamnagar on 35 points. We have Shreyas and Shrestha Sharma from New Horizon Public School and Sri Satyasai Vidya Vihar Indore on 25 points. But in second place right now is Keshav Piyush Prasad from Lotus Valley International School, Gurugram on 30 points. Okay, Devya Rastogi from DPS sector, Gurgaon sector 45 on 5 points, and Gorika and Yug from VPMS and St. Paul's School, Rajkot are on 15 and 10 points respectively. All right, lot of time to catch up though. Let's see what happens. Anybody can end up in the finals at the rate that we are going. I'm sorry, in the quarterfinals. Let's quickly move on to round number 3. Okay, just give me a moment. Let's move on to round number 3. Round number 3 is the bonus point is a point in Kabaddi which a team is awarded if a raider crosses the balk line. In this round 2, you have the ability to get bonus points. In this round, each participant will be asked one question. So the balk line, if you cross the balk line with one foot while keeping the other foot in the air, you get one bonus point even if you don't touch the other player from the other team. Okay. So Anup Kumar, in fact, is this guy who used to always get the bonus points. So in this round, each participant will be asked one question. It is worth 15 points. There is no negative marking. However, if you like, you can ask for bonus points. When you say bonus points, you have to mention bonus points before the question is asked. If you do ask for a bonus point, then a correct answer will be worth 20 points. However, if you go in for bonus points, then if you get the answer wrong, you will get minus 10. So for the regular question, it is plus 15 points, no negative marking. But if you say bonus points and you have to say this before you answer, then you will get minus 10 points if you answer incorrectly. But if you answer correctly, 20 points. Questions don't get carried forward. 10 seconds for answering each question. Everybody clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
From the
Yes,
middle,
sir.
Sir.
exactly in the middle in my line is Yug. So let's quickly go on to Yug. Yug, what is the common link among? I'm sorry, we have made this mistake. It's not between. Between is between 2, but among is among 3. So what is the common link among these 3 movies? 3 Idiots, PK, and Munna Bhai MBBS. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I am sorry, I have not gotten an answer.
Director.
You have to name the director, and it's quite late. Pass it. I'm sorry. I gave you enough of time. Anybody else? Director was right, but you have to give the exact name. Yes. Yes, Shrishta.
Rajkumar Hirani.
Is the
Yes,
correct-
sir.
You got it right. Was a little late with it. That's why I'm so sorry I could not entertain it, but no worries. It was a good try, good attempt. Okay. Luckily, you didn't end up with negative points on this. Okay. Next question goes to Shrestha. Shrestha, your direct question is, what is the common link among these 3 places? Rawalpindi, Lahore, and Peshawar
These 3 places are in Pakistan.
is the correct answer. Well done, Shrestha. 15 points to Shrestha. All of these places are located in Pakistan. A beautiful scenery from one of these places. Let's very quickly move on to Devya. Devya from DPS Gurgaon. You are free to ask for a bonus and make it 20 points if you write. What is the link among these 3 sports persons? Usain Bolt, Michael Phelps, and Abhinav Bindra.
Sir, can I ask for bonus points?
Yes, Devya, you can ask for bonus points. Go
Yes,
ahead if
sir,
you.
I ask for bonus points. All these sports persons have won gold in the Olympic Games.
Superb, Devya. Well done. The first student today to get bonus points. 20 points to Devya. Very well done, Devya.
Thank you, sir.
Well, let's move on to the next person. All of these sports persons have won the gold in the individual gold in Olympic gold medals. I mean, in the Olympic Games. Question number 4 is the question for Keshav. Keshav from Lotus Valley International School, Gurgaon. What is the common link among these 3 brands? Bombay Dyeing, Britannia Group, and Goer.
Sir,
5, 4,
um,
3, 2, 1. I need an answer.
but they're all from
That is in fact the incorrect answer. Anybody else would like to give me the correct answer?
Sir, they all are owned by the same conglomerate, but I don't remember that name, particular name of that.
It is right. Devya. The conglomerate's name is the Wardia Group.
Okay, sir.
Okay, well done, Devya. No worries. Okay, Shreyas,
Yes,
this
sir.
is the direct question. What is the common link among these 3 individuals? Sam Manekshaw, K.C. Karyappa, and Bipin Rawat.
Sir, all 3 of them are cricket players.
They were never cricket players, unfortunately. They are spy, but they probably did play cricket in their free time. There was something very, very important. Typically, those people don't get much time to play cricket unless they retire. Everybody else, would you like to answer this question?
They are former generals like Sam Manekshaw and K.C. Karyappa. I guess they were field marshals and Bipin Rawat is the CDS of India.
Absolutely, the Chief of Army Staffs. They were all former Chief of Army Staffs. This is the great Sam Manekshaw, who became the Field Marshal, the second Field Marshal of India after K.C. Karyappa. Okay, well done. Let's move on to Rashi. Rashi from SMIS Jamnagar. Rashi from SMIS Jamnagar. What is the common link among, not between, among these three colors, red, blue, and yellow?
Sir, can I get a bonus?
Yes.
Sir, these three are the primary colors.
All three are primary colors. That is correct. Well done, Rashi. All three are primary colors. Congratulations. Well done on this answer. 20 points to Rashi. And let's move on to the last question. This is for Gaurika from VPMS. Gaurika, what is the common link among these three film stars? Chris Hemsworth, Mark Ruffalo, and Chris Evans.
So these three have worked in the American Horror Show.
Which American Horror?
American Horror Show, it's a series.
Have they, all three of them, worked in the American Horror Show? The correct answer. Anybody would like to give it to me?
Sir, I know the answer.
Yes, Keshav, tell me.
Sir, they were all Avengers.
They were all Avengers. That is the correct answer. Chris Hemsworth was Thor.
Thor,
Mark Ruffalo
Chris
was,
Evans,
yes,
Hulk,
Hulk. And what was Chris Evans? Captain America.
Captain.
Okay, no worries, Gaurika. Happens sometimes. Okay, they do not really work in the American Horror Show. I'll still verify that for you nonetheless, and I'll see if it changes the marks and correct it. I am personally not aware of them working in the American Horror Show. I don't think they have. Is it?
I guess they are. I'm not sure about it.
We'll verify it and get back to you. If it changes the scores, we'll intimate you, but I'm quite sure they haven't. Okay? Okay. So anyway, let's check. Aman, are we done with the final scores?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's quickly check what the final scores are. At the end of round 3, Shreyas Pai has ended on 25 points. Rashi Shailesh Patel has ended on 55 points. Gaurika Arora has ended on 15 points. Yug has ended on 10 points. Shrestha Sharma has ended on 40 points from Sri Satya Sai Vidya Vihar Indar. Devya Rastogi has ended on 25 points from DPS Gurgaon Sector 45. And Keshav Piyush Prasad from Lotus Valley International School Gurgaon has ended on 30 points. All right. So the two people who have qualified for the quarterfinals are Shrestha Sharma, who's the runner-up in this quiz round, and Rashi Shailesh Patel from SMIS Jamnagar. A big round of applause for them, please. Well done. Okay, Keshav.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Shrestha.
Actually, I saw your videos. I was like, you're so charismatic. Like, it was my dream to speak to you. Believe me, I'm not even lying.
I'm very happy that, your dream has come true, but I'm sure you're made for much bigger dreams than just speaking to me. I'm sure you
definitely.
People do much better things. Thank you so much. I'm definitely very touched by that. And all of you, Keshav, Devya, participated very well. Sometimes there's the luck of the draw where you get, the questions that you don't know, while you have others who have the questions that they know. But both of you have also participated well. Gaurika, you too. We will check about the American Horror Show, but I don't think that really changes the final outcome of the quiz anyway. Nonetheless, we will also congratulate Yug. Yug, if you had answered the director correctly, I am sure that you would have been very, very close to getting into the quarterfinals. Shreyas, well done to you as well. And Rashi, you are absolutely fabulous. Calmness, composure, personified, answering your questions. Nobody would ever know, looking at you, whether you know the answer or you don't know the answer. But
Thank
then
you, sir.
answer. So well done, Rashi. Well done, Shrestha. We have two girls who have qualified for the next round from this entire session. Did you all have a good time? That's the most important thing. Did you all have a good time?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Amazing.
Amazing.
Yes.
Okay, I'm very happy that you all had a good time. And, this happens. Winning and losing is always a part of sessions. That's perfectly fine. I've already told you the final scores. Just before we end this quiz for the day, let me very quickly tell all of you that we have something called the Global Jigyasa Weekly Current Affairs Quiz. Okay, it's something that we launch. It's a free quiz that we launch every Sunday. The entire objective is to keep everybody abreast with what's happening in the world each week. So every week it has 10 questions related to the world. It has 4 options each, out of which one is always correct. It's attempted by thousands of students and adults across India. If you'd like to be a part of the subscription list to receive this quiz, your number is only used for sending you the quiz every week. You receive only one SMS from us every Monday. So if you'd like to receive the quiz, simply SMS or WhatsApp the word subscribe to 99871 34522. I repeat, 99871 34522. And if you do this, we will start sending you the quiz. Another very interesting and exciting thing that we'd like to tell you is that we are coming out with a free Global Jigyasa app in June 2020. It is actually going to provide you with daily news bulletins, one daily news bulletin, one each day at around 6 p.m. every day. And we have a daily quiz culminating in the Sunday quiz. So you stay tuned about that for further updates. If you are subscribed to the Global Jigyasa Weekly Current Affairs quiz, you will automatically get to know about the Global Jigyasa app as well, all right? And lastly, just for all our excited students, for students of ages 10 to 13 years, we have started something during the lockdown called the SkillSphere e-Quiz Club. We have 5 sessions and we'll slowly make it a weekly program of 1.5 hours each, where we have interesting quizzes, we have interesting discussions on different things across the world, right from inventions and discoveries to sports and fine arts to politics, economics, India, and a bunch of other things. If you'd like to attend a free demo session and see how this works, you can always give us a call on 73042 77730. I repeat, 73042 77730. You can also call us on 88506 32323. I repeat, 88506 32323. All right. This is for all our Facebook live streamers. With that, I'd like to thank all of you. Thank you so very much for being a part of pre-quarterfinal number 8. I know a lot of you would have been waiting for the entire day. Keshav, I'm glad we were able to sort out the internet issues and accommodate you in the final quiz instead of quiz number 7. Devya, congratulations on participating. Gorika, I can actually check out what the American Horror Show is thanks to you. Yuk, next time name the director. And Shreys, well done all together. And let's pray that our Chief of Army Staffs have more time to play cricket as well. Right? On a lighter note, thank you so much, everybody. Thank you so much. I hope you all had a good time and a great time with all of you. And I wish you the best. Stay hungry, stay foolish, stay excited, stay enlightened, stay energized, and stay inspirational like all of you children are during this entire lockdown period. Thank you so very much, all of you. And
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Have a nice day.
Have a nice day.
bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye guys, bye.
Bye, sir.